Hello, children. Welcome back again in your SST classes with a new chapter. Hope you all are enjoying the new way of learning by online classes. So, children, have you ever thought that how the people lived in the past? What was their food habit? What types of clothes they used to wear? Their house made of which material? Where do their children go to study? We can find the answers of all these by the study of history. History is the branches of social study that help us to study about the past. When we will look closely at the word history, it contains another word, story. Therefore, history is the story of people who lived in the earlier times. Your next chapter is the story of the past. Children, in this chapter, we will learn about meaning of history, meaning of historian, need to study the history, and need to categorize history. Okay, so children, we'll start with our first topic, that is the meaning of history. History is the record or story of the past event that occur in a chronological order. हिस्ट्री क्या है? हिस्ट्री एक रिकॉर्ड है या स्टोरी है कोई पास्ट की. ठीक है, पास्ट टाइम मतलब जो टाइम हमारा बीत चुका है. ठीक है, हिस्ट्री इज द रिकॉर्ड और स्टोरी ऑफ द पास्ट इवेंट दैट अकर इन अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर? क्रोनोलॉजिकल मीन्स समथिंग विच इज़ अरेंज इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे. ठीक है, जो चीज़ें जिस वे में हुई हैं उसको उस वे में सेट करना, दैट इज़ नोन एज अ chronological order. It also gives you a descriptive and systematic account of earlier civilization. Also जब आप history read करते हो तो ये आपको descriptive मतलब brief में और systematic way में आपको earlier civilization के बारे में बताती है ना. और civilization क्या? earlier civilization means पहले के लोग कैसे रहते थे, उनकी society कैसी थी, culture कैसा था, जो way of life style कैसा था उनका. सो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको ये सिस्टमैटिक वे में हिस्ट्री में बताते हैं. ठीक है, ऑल्सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द सोशल, रिलीजियस, पॉलिटिकल एंड कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ अ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट थ्रू इट. एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प अस टू नो अबाउट द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल इन द पास्ट. प्रीवियस में लोगों की लाइफ स्टाइल कैसी थी ये भी बताता है. एंड लास्ट, it tells us about how life began on Earth and how early humans gradually adopted the modern ways of living and lifestyle. Okay. So, children, now you got to know the meaning of history. But have you thought where the record has come, where we got to know about the story of the past? This all because of the historian. Yes. Now, who's historian? The question comes in your mind definitely. So, historian is a person who writes about our studies history through various sources and methods. Okay? So that means a historian is a person who studied the past, and also a historian is more involved in a research work. ठीक है, firstly they do the lots of research, lots of studies about the history, whatever is available. ठीक है, जो भी हिस्ट्री के रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास अवेलेबल होते हैं, फर्स्टली दे डू द रिसर्च एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. ओके, and then they writes a book. So from that we got to know something about our past. Okay, and have you know who's the first historian? Mm, yes. So the first historian name was Herodotus. Herodotus was the first historian, and he is also known as the father of the history. Okay, and also is considered to be the first true historian is in recorded history. ठीक है, इन्होंने जो फर्स्ट सबसे पहले जो हिस्ट्री रिकॉर्ड की थी in such a descriptive and in a systematic way, that was Herodotus. So children, our next topic is why do we need to study history? I guess so many of you are thinking कि why we will study history. ठीक है, what is the need, because history is all about the record, all about the story of the past. And what and I guess so many of you have the question in your mind that why do we need to study history? Because history is all about the story of past, and it is all about the record only. So, what is the need? Why we will study history? What benefits will get after reading the history, or after knowing about our past? So the present development cannot be understood well without any knowledge of the past. Because अगर आपको अपने पास्ट के बारे में पता ही नहीं, अपने इंडिया के पास्ट की हिस्ट्री के बारे में पता ही नहीं है, then how can you compare the present development of India? Okay, history also gives us a complete knowledge about the changes that took place over a period of time. It also gives you complete knowledge कि how the changes come. Okay. Third point, study of history help us to understand the development of human beings from hunter gatherers to their modern condition. ठीक है, ह्यूमंस की कैसे डेवलपमेंट हुआ. अर्लियर यू ऑल्सो नो द ह्यूमन बींग्स क्या थे, मंकी से उनका डेवलपमेंट हुआ हंटर गैदर्स के थ्रू, एंड देन now you can see the human being. तो how the changes take place, कैसे एक monkey से human being हम बने, this all we know about only if we study about the history. Okay, and also it tells us about the past settlements. Past settlements ki how the peoples comes in a community, how they established the community, and what was their society, and what was the economy of that time. History also teaches us to act better in our present situation by learning from past happening. Yes, because the things which is very convenient for us these days, जो चीज़ हमें बहुत easily available हो जाती है, in ancient time people suffered a lot for that small things. Okay, so when we learn about our history, so we can know the struggles which they have faced, and how easily we'll manage all the things, how easily we'll get all the things. This only will get to know when we study about our history. So these are the needs to study the history. Okay, then our next topic is need to categorize history. Actually, history is a series of vast events that happens over a period of many centuries, from the beginning of human civilization till now. So it is quite impossible to understand the whole history together. So that's why, for our convenience and for our clarity, historians divided into the three main parts. Okay, so the first part is the ancient history, the second part is the medieval history, and the third part is modern history. Okay, thank you so much, children. This much for today. In next history classes, we'll study the rest part of this chapter, and till then, do revision of this chapter with the videos and the content which we have provided, as well as we'll provide you some assignment. So do with the help of this video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay healthy, and keep learning and utilize your time nicely. Thank you.